Hey, thanks for joining us again. I'm Warren Patton, president of Byerly RV. I am here with Michael Moran, our friend from Outdoors RV, and we are sitting in the Creekside 17 MKS. And I feel like I'm sitting in a bigger trailer right now. This is a 17-foot travel trailer, and yet this feels like a 21, 22-foot travel trailer. The sides are huge on the outside, and it's quiet. Tell us a little bit about what you're doing to make this.
Warren, we took a whole different approach because of the huge number of half-ton trucks out there. And many manufacturers said, we'll make it lighter and smaller and what have you. The problem is they went to the borderline of flimsy.
Yeah.
That's not in our DNA. The Nash DNA was built strong chassis to hand. Today's roads are so bad, potholes and everything else, but also off-road. So we still have the dynamic X4 off-road chassis with nitrogen shock absorbers that give you lateral stability. We simply, for our mighty 17s, we narrowed the body down to 7.5 feet. That also brought the axles to where the trailer tires are right in track with the truck tires. So now it's one groove when you're traveling. But now you're going to get livability. Warren, you don't look like you're 5'2". You look like you're...
Well, we're about 6 foot here. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's 6'1".
So we still give the 6'11" headroom because of the Roman arch ceiling. What people love about us is we refuse to compromise on durability and insulation. So we are the only travel trailer with, once again, motorhome sidewalls, full 2-inch walls, including the slide out, and behind the front cap. Now that's magic. Nobody wants to have a cold head at nighttime. So we envelop you in 2-inch insulation all the way around. But now we're going to give you livability. And as Warren said, like a condominium, if you raise the ceiling, the living space seems larger. So we said, there's such value, we almost can't say it, in Murphy beds. And I say that because there's a lot of Murphy beds where they cut way too many corners. The bed was too short. They had folding mattresses. They took away the overhead storage. You couldn't put the slide out in if the bed was down. We took away all the negatives and made it all positives. So what you see here is a full queen bed, 80 inches long. Now the Heartland Deluxe series has 3 different layers of memory foam. It is a delight. In fact, my wife and I have one. We've had it for 8 months now. It's that good. It's spectacular. But we don't like, at Outdoors RV, we overbuild everything. We don't like flimsy mechanisms that break. And that's what we saw out in the field. So what we did is, we make a toy hauler, and all toy hauler ramp doors have a giant spring, a cantilever spring. Without that spring, that ramp door could end your life. That's how heavy the door is. We got a hold of the spring company and said, if we gave you the weight of the mattress, the bed box, and the dining room table combined, could you come up with a spring mechanism that's cantilever balanced for that? And Warren, if you'd be so kind, would you pick that up, please?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
In addition to that,
he really could have done it with one hand.
Yeah.
But instead of a small flimsy hinge, look at the bottom. That is a tour hauler ramp door spring, and our prototype, we actually did over 1,000 cycles. We could not break it. That's how strong it is. Now these are the vertical supports. And what happens is, as Warren's doing, he lifts that up. Notice it's a full-length hinge. So now it's incredibly solid. So now he's going to bring it down. He's going to bring the leg out. And now I like to say, I might give you a free trailer. Warren, if you can move this more than 3/8 of an inch, scale of 1 to 10, how solid is that table?
probably one of the most solid tables in the industry.
Without a doubt. Now, the reason is, once again, in true Outdoors RV style, instead of 2 small hinges that literally could cause a table to wobble and spill drinks, we do a 40-inch full-length hinge. This, in concert with stronger rising mechanisms, full-length mattresses, keeping the big storage overhead and what have you, and even when the bed's down, the slide out can still come in. So we've taken all the negatives of so-called Murphy beds and made it a wall bed. And that's what we call this design. And as they say in RV studies, the shorter the unit, a bed takes a disproportionate amount of living space. Being able to now make it functional, and mind you, this is a 17-foot interior. You've got your theater seating, but you have 2 places to sit.
No, and that's amazing. And one of the other things we're talking about, in addition to just the quality of the build, the insulation, how you guys have built this structure, the amount of space that we're staring at in a 17-foot trailer, This is also the titanium series,
Yes,
Creekside?
yes.
So we've got other features from the titanium series in here that you guys have added in. Tell us a little bit about what that package is.
Yes. So basically, one thing we couldn't put in because of the chassis being narrower, we couldn't go with the one-touch auto leveling, but we could go with push-button remote control stabilizing. So that is included as part of the titanium package.
Nice.
At a glance, walking up, the first thing people notice is they see the beautiful. See, Lamelux, a fiberglass company, they make the thinnest material is called Phylon. That's Lamelux 1000. One step above it is called a 2000. But all the big motorhomes use 4000. So as you walk up, you see this beautiful platinum dove gray exterior, and that's the telltale that there's a titanium at a glance. Titanium sales are now 50% of our sales because people say, we love the look, we love the finish, the gloss of the high gloss gel coat. But then we wrap it around with, once again, the remote control leveling. We're going to give you a 3-camera system. This is sweet as it gets. And I'm a veteran traveler with over 200,000 miles. It's one thing to have a backup camera, but here's the problem. You push the brakes on, and Warren, you know this too. All you see is red in your monitor. So we put backup lights on it. The backup lights overpower the light of the brake lights. So now, if you're parking into a storage lot or parking on friends' neighbor's property, when you back up and put it in reverse, you see everything. So that's all woven together. And then we move inside. We give you, once again, furniture grade. Now this is knotty alder from Oregon, and you can feel the knots in the wood. And if you'd be so kind, that's how solid we make things. So when this is traveling down the road, everything stays in place. We also, on a titanium, this is basically Corian, a solid surface. That's their patent ran out, so now it's all opened up. This is LG solid surface. But with a titanium, everything from the counter extension, the nightstands, even if you'll be so kind, the bathroom. Beautiful, indestructible, solid surface.
Well, and the other thing you think about, not just on the cabinets, but the amount of space. We're in, a 17-foot travel trailer. How many times have you been in one and you're like, oh, okay, we've eliminated the cabinets, we've eliminated this. You've got a walk-in closet. You've got a big pantry, closet underneath. You've got space here plus space behind there. You have a ton of space
and
for
drawers.
everyone.
And
not to mention actual
drawers with
functional
travel
drawers.
locks.
Oh,
And-
yeah.
and-
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Now release the button.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that.
And they're real drawers, 100-pound drawer guides. A cabinet maker, when he looked at this, said, my goodness, you guys did it right. You build a hardwood drawer, but you make the face separate. This way, we'll never get a drawer getting crooked if the face becomes part of the drawer. That's shortcut to the customer. Moving over to the galley just for a moment. You'll notice there's a semi-gloss here. This is a chef's dream because we put the strainer, and Warren, pin set, see how strong that is?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
That's over $50 for this stainless steel strainer. But we put the strainer down below. When they have them on top, you're out of business.
Yeah.
But if you put the strainer down below, you can still do food prep. And you'll notice your camera will pick up on this. The semi-gloss is a food area. But when you're making a salad, this is what you use as your cutting board. So you're cutting up your, I love avocados. You're cutting your tomatoes and avocados on this side. So now you can still do food prep, and it's indestructible. So once again, towing beyond belief with the KYB nitrogen shock absorbers. It's going to anticipate and cover in the wind. Quiet because of the thick walls and the frameless windows, which are dual pane. With the dual pane windows, you've got remote control, please.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Max Air with a 10-speed fan. So I'm going to give you a scenario. You travel for a long time. You're in Colorado at high elevation. You're laying in bed. It's morning time. You say, okay. You touch the button. This fan here is reversible, so you don't smell pine sol. You smell pine trees. And the bathroom is exhaust only. So you're bringing fresh air in here, and it's going out this way. These two fans are so powerful. You could cook salmon, turn these on, go for a walk, come back. You'll never know you cooked in it. That's how powerful these large Max Air fans are.
That's amazing. Yeah.
So these are the kind of things we build in for long-term comfort. See, we're investment grade. Everything we do, we say long-term, how to make our customers happy and have them bring their friends and family to join us. And we're very honored to have over 31,000 families now as part of the Outdoors RV family.
Michael, that's awesome. And thank you for spending so much time with us on the 17 MKS from Creekside, from Outdoors RV. This is, again, the titanium edition,
Yes.
so there's a lot of features here. Come check it out at Byerly RV. Visit us online at byerlyrv.com. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.